In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store data in make.com. Whether you're new to make.com or just looking to expand your toolkit, I've got you covered with this straightforward guide. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up make.com on your web browser. Once you're logged in and ready to go, your starting point is the Tools section. Navigate over to that menu and look for something called Data Stores. This is going to be our central hub for organizing and managing data within make.com. Next up, you'll need to click on Create a Data Store. This step is crucial because you're essentially setting up a storage unit for all the data you want to work with. Think of it like creating a new folder on your computer where you'll keep specific files organized. Now with your data store set up, you need to figure out what kind of data you'll be storing. It's time to add structure to your new data store. To give you an example, let's say you're working with fields such as name, email, and phone. Each of these fields will be identified as a type, in our case, text, since they are made up of written characters. It's important here to clearly define every field you'll need so that the data can be effectively organized and retrieved later. Now that you have your data store and fields set up, it's time to move on to incorporating these into your workflows. In the specific scenario you're working on, look for the data store module. What you're going to do here is add or replace a record. This is essentially like updating or inserting new data into your data store, ensuring that the latest information is always at your fingertips. At this point, you should be ready to store incoming data. Suppose you have incoming webhooks that send data in a specific format. For instance, you might receive something structured like a contact's name and email address. An example might look something like this. You have a name passed in as John and an email as john@gmail.com. This data will be mapped directly into the fields you set up earlier in the data store module. Mapping fields correctly ensures that all your data is stored accurately and in the correct locations. Lastly, let's talk about how you can retrieve this data when you need it. To extract data from your data store, you'll use the Get a Record option within the Data Store module. This function allows you to search using various identifiers such as an ID, an email, or even a custom key you've previously set up. This flexibility makes it incredibly convenient to access the exact data you need without having to search manually through countless records. And there you have it, a seamless guide to storing and managing data within make.com. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to optimizing your data management processes. Thank you for watching, and happy automating with make.com.